Welcome everyone to Qatar group meditation. And today our topic is avoid the 4F syndrome. This top wisdom is taken from the top book, The Greatness Guide. The author is Robin Sharma. I will share about this, the 4Fs syndrome. Most of us go for the training and learning, but doesn't last very much. No stickiness. We attend a seminar and we want to transform our lives, but again we want to become a better parents, effective leaders, wise human beings. But 2 days later, again after seminar, it's everything back to normal as usual. Again routine work. Everything you forget. You're not changing there. There's no resistance. That's the important. No one wants to fail, so most of us don't even try. The four main reasons why people resist change, this is nothing, that are the four steps, that is a 4F syndrome which we discussed today. Why people resist change, these four steps are very much important for making better choices, because when we make better choices we can have better experience, better results in life. And personal leadership begins with self awareness, because you cannot improve a weakness or a blind spot if you don't know nothing about it. In other words, once you know better, you can do better in life. I will share about these four syndromes. The first one is fear. People fear living their safe harbor. They don't want to come out of their comfort zone. They fear to go to the like new venture they want. They fear or they put a back step. And most of us don't like to try something new, because why? They fear. They fear in their life is basically because it brings discomfort. They want to do something new. If anything happens, it brings discomfort to them. This is the main thing which people fear in life every time. The key thing to manage here is whatever you're trying, which is fearing you, you have to face it. You cannot escape it. You have to just face and you have to move ahead. That's important. Until that fear is gone, you should just face it. You can't escape that fear. That's very much important. That is the best way to destroy it. You have to do it until the it is no until you are no longer scared for that. That's very much important. First one is a fear. Next one is failure. No one wants to fail, so most of us don't even try. It is so sad. Simple. So the very first step is to improve our health. We have to deepen our the work relationship. We have to realize our dreams. But in our mind, only failure is like, in my mind, the only failure in life is failure to try. He tells like this: the we cannot just tell anything failure. In your mind already you're fixed yourself. You're not trying only. That is the biggest failure. You're not even giving a try because of fear, everything. And the greatest risk which you can take is by not taking risk in life. That is the biggest risk. So that's very much important. Famous superstar Michael Jordan said once, I was never fear for anything. I don't fear failure. If I miss a shot, so what happens? Failure is just an essential part of the success. There is no success without failure. Failure is the highway to success. That's very much important. Failure. Don't fear for failure also. That's important. Next, forgetting. Many of us, after seminar, we come out ourselves with great inspiration that we will change the world. But as I told already, after 2 days, you are back to office. Again, everything is normal. Busy clients, dominating bosses, uncooperative suppliers, customers. Everything is again back normal. You forget yourself, the commitments which you made for yourself, for your personal development, for your professional development. Everything you have forgotten because of the again back to normal routines. But you have to keep your commitments on top of your mind. That's very much important. You have to heighten your awareness among these. Better awareness, better choices. And if you're having better choices, you have better results. You have to keep your self promises at top. You can make list of the top priorities which you are very much important to note down on the sticky note. You stick in a room where you stay more frequently. Every morning when you wake up, when you get up, just read those points. Night when you're sleeping, just once go through the points, and you don't forget those things. You cannot forget because those things are very much important. The priorities which are for your life, make it habit. You have to read them because what you talk about, you have to talk about them. Read them because you become what you talk. That's very much important. Don't forget these priorities. What your commitments you made to yourself. Those things you never forget. Fourth one is faith. Too many people have got no faith at all. They are cynical, they are skeptical, they are every time they are doubtful only. They tell you want this leadership training or this whatever personal development doesn't work. I am too old to change. They give n number of excuses, and their main thing is they don't trust. This is biggest thing. You should avoid this one. If anything you're doing, have 100% trust in it, and you have to do it. You will get the result. That's important. If anyone you're taking a risk, if you're having that doubtfulness, it doesn't happen simply, literally. So whatever work you do, anything with 100% trust and focus, you carry it. Everything successfully, the work gets done. That's very much important. These are the four things which the author tells. The first one is fear. Don't fear. Next, failure. Don't fear for the failure also. Go ahead. That's important. You can failure, but that adds for your success. As we always learn, failure is stepping stone to success. Third one, forgetting. Never forget. If you have made some commitments, you stick on to it and be very stubborn and practice it regularly. Fourth one is faith. Have faith and trust. These are the four syndromes which the author expresses in this book. And because awareness really does precede success, because we are having awareness among all these things, of course, you will definitely get success. Obviously, you have to manage and overcome these all things which I told: fear, failure, forgetting. Overcome this. That's very much important. And ordinary people can definitely become extraordinary people. You can truly get to the greatness 100%. But you have to start. And how will you know if you don't even try? You should always give a start, kickstart yourself, and give a try. There's no wrong in giving a try. Even before we try, already we decide ourselves. There might be failure. There might be I am already fearing, so I'll not. You forget. These all things should excuses which you are giving to yourself. Just give a try. That's very much important, and definitely you will get success. And failures will be there, of course, in life, but those things will make you very hard, and you will remember that success very strong. And challenges will of course come because in example, if any patient is in admitted in hospital, if his graph is straight, what does it mean? He is dead there. Only when the graph is moving up and down, only is alive. The same way in the life also we have challenges. So face them and you can overcome it easily, and definitely will get the success. Have faith in yourself and faith in what things you're doing also. 100% trust. That's important. If you doubt yourself, you have self doubt, you'll never succeed in life. That's very much important. Have faith in yourself. Have trust in everyone. Have trust in universe or whatever you believe, whether it's God or whatever it is. Have full faith, 100% trust in it, and at right time, everything gets manifested. That's important. This is what I wanted to share about today's topic. And about this, if you have anything to add, you can also add your wisdom. Or if you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts. I will just share that. Yes, sir. Anything you want to
And
share?
yeah,
Please.
it's very nice topic, and these 4 points are most important. Just like balance in life,
Hmm?
balance in life.
Yes.
These 4 points, very, very,
Yes. You have to.
very important. Especially trusting ourselves and trusting on others or the certain values is most important. Trust and faith.
Yes, very much important. In
Yeah.
both ourselves and others also.
Yes. And also, I I concern about fear. Yeah, when we are doing something new, which is generally because we are in comfort in our own zone, and the new one want to start means at that time we will fear. That is, I also experienced personally, whatever may be the thing. So that one we have to overcome actually.
Overcome it.
Then only we can succeed. Otherwise, we failure
Put
from
back.
our side only. We, even though we have the capacity, but we will not start the job. That is a big shock.
Correct.
Yeah.
Initially, it is new for you, so it might be venture for you. Once
Yeah.
you do it regularly, it becomes your adventure. That's it. Anything initially is venture. By practice,
Yes,
it
sir.
becomes adventure. That's it. Simple.
Yeah, that is why in
That
some of the
you
cases,
should
I
take.
myself started some initiative, whatever may be there, whether it is pass or fail or whatever may be. Let us start, then we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Even small steps also. It not be big step also. You put the
Yeah.
small steps and small efforts. That's it. Slowly you can increase the steps. That
Exactly.
initial steps you make it small steps. That obviously you will achieve it. We will try to do only big step. We will have mind to put the biggest step. So that you are having that fear in yourself. You put big step, you might fail. You start with small steps. No, why you want to take big steps in life and fear and do not even doing. You're there only. So small steps you take in life and go ahead. That's it. And main thing is you have to overcome this fear. You have to face it. Otherwise, every time it gets popped in. So you should just face it and overcome it. That's the biggest thing it does.
Correct. I also insisting others also. So same thing. When I'm facing the same thing. So I trust and starting some of the new assignments and all those things. I feeling very comfortable, very nice. Some difficulties will come, okay, but we have to sort out and we'll move forward. That will use the encouragement and something positive direction instead of getting bored or something. We'll see. I'm observing some positive things. Really.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for adding those.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Anyone want to add anything? Or I will end the live on YouTube first.
Yeah.
If anyone wants to add, I will keep the live on YouTube. Otherwise, I will end the live on YouTube and then. Okay, masters. I just will end. Thank you for joining for the meditations, and please join on every Fridays. On it is Qatar timing. It is 5 to 6. We'll have 30 minutes of group meditation and 30 minutes of wisdom sharing every day. Every week we discuss new topics. Please join the sessions and please share with your friends also. I will just end the YouTube live service.